Hello and welcome. It's Sunday morning here at the doctor's surgery, and I have a different kind of video for you today. I've got something to tell you all. Remember where you heard this first? Your favourite fake internet doctor has now turned professional. Regular viewers of my channel will know that I only ever categorised myself as a weekend warrior, a part-time amateur enthusiast at this tool repair stuff that I do. But there's been a sort of a shift in that, something I have to tell you about. When I started this channel, it was a name to help people who wanted to fix their own stuff. Sort of an amateur repair channel, coming from a perspective of the guy that doesn't know what he's doing, the guy that's had no formal training in this. And I think I have largely done what I set out to do, and maybe entertained you with some of the other little videos along the way. But something happened that I didn't expect. What I was hoping on this content creation journey, that I would eventually end up having a good enough profile that I could turn into a professional content creator. That is growing, it's doing well, but that as of yet hasn't happened. However, something unexpected, like I said, happened. The other day, I was given an offer by the employer that I currently work for in my day job to do some of what I love professionally for them. For my day job, I'm a salesman and animal medicine advisor, just do all retail store work, sales, stocking shelves, sometimes ordering little bits and pieces. So aside from my work that I'm doing now, the company I work for want me to do some repairs, help out their current repairman and their head office with repairs. And because the subject is so close to my heart, I had to accept. It means maybe 1 or 2 days a week I will be a professional repairman instead of a weekend warrior. So that's a change. I came from weekend warrior to professional repairman, and how this happened was one way, just doing it and posting videos on the internet. My videos were effectively my CV. Once they watched my videos, they didn't need to see any more. I know some people, the biggest problem I have with some of the trolls that get on my channel, and I haven't got a big problem, is they accuse me of being unprofessional due to the sometimes shortcuts I take, sometimes the country fix, sometimes the DIY fixes that I do. But I always said, you can call me unprofessional, because I'm not a professional. Well, that has changed. The fake internet doctor is now going semi-pro, so from this Tuesday on, I will be, by definition, a professional repairman. So some of you guys might be wondering what that means for what happens here in the surgery, what happens with the content creation, the live streams and all that there, all the little tips, tricks, repairs that I have done for you guys. Well, that is only set to continue. There's no plans to change any aspect of my channel in any groundbreaking way or seismic shift in any way in the near future. I only aim to get better and show you better tips and give you better advice. Other than that, everything's going to stay the same. Right guys, you heard it here first. Your favourite fake internet doctor is now turned, I suppose, semi-professional. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.